Okay, so we are welcome to video 5. We are still on traverse computation. Remember, we have done the corrected bearing. We have calculated it from the observed angles, and then we have already brought the true horizontal length from the field book to the computation sheet. So we are good to go with these two figures: 19 degree 38 minutes 54 seconds being the bearing from PBK 2 to peg 1, and 34.283 being the length. You can easily calculate the delta northern and then the delta eastern using this formula. This will give you delta n is cos phi multiplied by distance, and this one gives you sin phi multiplied by distance. So from there we can begin to calculate this delta northern and the delta eastern. Be conscious of the signs. Plus or minus is very, very important. Okay, quickly, 19 degree 38 54 to true length 34.283. What do you have in the cos phi multiplied by distance?
32.286.
32.286.
Yes, 86.
So 32.286. Because it's a plus, it comes under the end. If it's a minus, it comes under the south. What about the delta eastern?
11.527.
Plus or minus?
Plus, sir.
So 11.527.
527.
Now go to the second line. 300 degree 49 38 to 35.300 meters. Yep.
18.089 plus
18.089. Yeah, the next one.
Minus 30.312.
So 30.312 comes here. Okay, the next line. 303 degree 2 minutes 12 seconds to 13.800 meters.
Plus 7.523.
7.523. Okay. The eastern.
Minus 11.569.
11.569. All right. Go to the next line. 23 degree 21 26 to 30.315.
27.831 plus
27.831.
0.831.
Okay. The next one.
12.019 plus
12.019. Go to the next line. 120 degree 44 to 15.300.
minus 7.860.
7.860.
Plus 13.127.
13.127. Okay, the next line. 151 degree 3518 to 46.650.
Minus 41.031.
41.
031. 22.196.
Plus?
Plus, yes, sir.
22.196.
196.
Okay, the last one, the last leg. 204 45 37 to 40.565.
Minus 36.836.
36.836.
And minus 16.990.
16.990. So with this, you can do a very quick check before going further to quickly know whether these your pluses and minuses, whether they are right or they are wrong. I'll teach you how you can quickly get that. Now this is bearing 19 degrees to distance 34. Look at this diagram very well. Look at this diagram that I'm going to draw. Now, this is like the first, second, third, and fourth side of the east-west divide. Now, assuming a line is in the first quadrant, so for every line that is in the first quadrant, your delta east, remember this is north, this is east, your delta east and delta north must have to be positive. Delta east is positive, delta north is positive for any first quadrant line. So this is a first quadrant line being 19 degrees, then you have plus and plus. So at least as far as sign is concerned, you are good to go. This is 300 degrees, and you know that 300 degrees is a fourth quadrant line. So definitely you have delta northern is positive, delta eastern is negative here, because this is negative eastern, this is north. So look at it very well. Is your delta northern positive? Yes. Your delta northern is negative? Yes. So you are good to go. So this is also a fourth quadrant line. The same thing. This is a first quadrant line, 23 degrees. So you have plus plus. This is 120 degrees. Which quadrant? This is a second quadrant line. And here you have delta eastern is positive, delta northern is negative. So delta northern is negative, delta eastern is positive. So as far as sign is concerned, you are good. This is 151. It's also a second quadrant line. So you have the same application. This is 204 degrees, which is a third quadrant line. The third quadrant line has delta eastern negative, delta northern negative. Remember, this is negative eastern, this is negative northern. So this is negative. So as far as sign is concerned, you know quickly that you are okay. Because if you are not okay with sign, you cannot get this correctly. So let's quickly let's clean this so that we can now quickly run to the computation of our coordinates, which is key and germane. Having gotten your your delta northern, delta eastern from here, your adjustment could come from here or could come from here. That's the adjustment of your coordinates. Already you are not tampering with coordinates from here. Or if you like, you can go here and go and do your final adjustment. If you like, you can do your adjustment from here using any of the three methods that you have. That is either using the Bowditch method or the least square method, or even the any other methods that you have in your textbooks. Now let's quickly from here see how your coordinates could be computed right away. That you have not started adjustment. Just want to, because this is the small difference or the differential in your nodding that you have calculated. And That's why you have to be careful with the sign. This is plus. So from PPK 03, you have your nothing to be 865277. Add 32.286 to it. It gives you what is supposed to be here. So that's 865 30311. Add it for me. 277.418 plus 32.286.
865 309.704.
309.704.
704.
That don't delete it. Add 18.089 to it plus 18.089.
865 327.7
327.793.
793.
Still don't delete it. We are still in plus. Add 7.523 to it.
865 335.316.
Okay. Also add 27.831 to it.
865 363.147.
363.147. Now you subtract 7.860 from it.
865 355.287.
287. Subtract 41.031.
865 314.256.
256.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Once that one is done, then you are on peg 2, Abi.
Yes, sir.
What did you do to this? This is minus, Abi.
Yes. Yes.
So you subtract
0.86.
36.836. Sorry, I wrote it somewhere else. Subtract 36.386.
865
865
277
277
.870.
0.870. Now look at PBK03. We started with 277.418. We are ending with 277.870. So what we are going to do is write 865 277.418 here, and that will give us an indication of what the error is. Subtract this from this, it gives you the indication of the error. That's 0. What?
0.452, sir.
452. So when you subtract this from this, it gives you what we actually started with. So the error in this particular network, in this particular setup, is minus 0.452 in nodding. So the same thing is repeated for Easton. Now let us go to the Easton. 675458.993. Remember, this is plus and this is minus. So plus 11.527 give you what?
675 470.520.
520. Now subtract 30.312. 0.312.
Yes, sir. 675 440
440.
0.208.
208. Subtract 11.569.
675 428.639.
Now add 12.019.
675
Mm-hmm.
440
Mm-hmm.
0.658.
Add 13.127.
675
Mm-hmm.
453
Mm-hmm.
0.785.
785. Add 22.196.
675
Mm-hmm.
475
Mm-hmm.
0.981.
981. Subtract 16.990.
675
675
458
458
0.991.
991. Now look at here. 675 458. You go and write it down again. 675 458 decimal what? 993. So it gives you an indication of what the error is.
Minus
Minus
0.002.
0.002. But in this case it's plus. It is only when you add 0.002 to 0.991 that can give you 993. So that's how you get the sign, because if you don't get this sign correctly, you go and mistakenly write those signs, it throws you off. So this is plus 0.002. I hope that is clear.
Yes, sir.
This is minus 0.452. It is these errors that you now distribute along this stretch. How do you distribute it? Maybe you quickly run through that.
Yes, sir.
So that we don't come to another class to do that. You can distribute it just like we distributed this evenly, and just along the line like that. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, the seventh leg. If you divide this error 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0.457, what does it multiply by so thank you very much. See you in the next class.